In this video, you'll learn how to change your profile picture in Mailchimp. This process involves several straightforward steps that will allow you to update your image quickly and efficiently. Begin by navigating to the Mailchimp homepage. Open your preferred web browser and enter the Mailchimp website address. Once the page loads, you will see the Mailchimp dashboard. If you are not already signed in, you will need to enter your credentials to access your... After signing in, you should see a welcome screen with various options available to you. Next, locate and click on the profile icon. This icon is typically found in the upper right corner of the dashboard. Once you click on it, a drop-down menu will appear. You should see options related to your account settings. This is the area where you can manage your profile details, including your profile picture. After that, look for the option labeled Upload Photo. Click on this button to initiate the process of changing your profile image. Once you select this option, a file selection dialog will open, allowing you to browse your device for the image you want to upload. Ensure that the file size is appropriate, as larger images may take longer to upload depending on your internet speed. Now, choose the photo you wish to use as your new profile picture. Navigate through your files and select the image. Once you have found the correct file, click on it to highlight it. After selecting the image, you will see an open button appear in the dialog box. Click on Open to proceed with the upload. Following this, you will return to the profile settings page. Here, you should see a preview of your selected photo. To finalize the change, click on the Update button. This action will save your new profile picture. After clicking, wait for a moment while the system processes your request. A confirmation message will appear, indicating that your profile picture has been successfully updated. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.